Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful vase and mirror set. The items I'm using today are from the Dollar Tree and from Amazon. So I'm going to start with this beautiful rose gold colored flower mesh wrap. I picked this up from Amazon, and I believe on the Amazon site this color is called champagne. So I absolutely love that. I love the color. But before I get started, I'm going to remove the black lines that are behind the mesh wrap. I'm going to be using a silver metallic marker to do that. You can use paint, silver paint as well if you wanted to. So I'm going to show you how quickly it is to do this. There's no dry down time when you use a marker. I'm removing the black lines because oftentimes after I finish a project, I can see the black lines through any glass that I've used. So right now I'm just going to cut it down into the desired strips that I need to complete the project. So before I get started, as always, I'm going to use some alcohol and a paper towel to clean the vase, and I'm also going to clean the mirror off screen. So as you can see, I've already started. Right here, I'm using the double-sided adhesive tape today instead of hot glue. The double-sided adhesive tape is very sticky, it's strong, and it's actually stronger than hot glue, and this will hold your projects together. I'm going to press it down onto the vase. I'm going to peel back the red covering, and then I'm going to cut the tape. So next, I'm going to take that flowered mesh wrap and I'm going to place it over the tape. Guys, I want to take a moment and thank you so much for clicking on this video today and joining me today. Please don't forget to take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to thumbs up the video. Next, I'm going to create a triangle pattern in the center of the glass. Next, I'm going to be using these pearl flatbacks that I picked up from Amazon. It's pearlized on top and it's nice and flat in the back. So this is the vase. Actually, it's completed. I am going to turn it over and create another design on the back, but I'm going to do that off screen. So now it's time to decorate the mirror. I'm going to decorate the mirror with the same decoration that I used on the vase. And guys, this is absolutely beautiful. This is the decoration on the other side of the vase. Guys, I absolutely love the way the project came out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video and please don't forget to subscribe. And you stay well and stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.